Exercise 8.1. First question. He is asking to find the ratios. What is ratio? Comparing the quantities by division. So we will start with first one. Speed of cycle is 15 kilometers per hour to speed of scooter is 30 kilometers per hour. What is the ratio? Comparing these two in form of division. Let us do. So what is the ratio? Ratio is 15 kilometers per hour and here 30 kilometers per hour. So 15 ones are 15 twos are, so it is 1 by 2. So the ratio is 1 by 2. Then second question B, he says 5 meters to 10 kilometers. The question is 5 meters to 10 kilometers. Now this is given in meters. This is given in kilometers. So before proceeding, we should convert so that both are in same units. So this is 10 kilometers. Let us convert this into meters and let us do the division. So kilometers is given. What is the conversion from kilometer to meters? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters we know. So 10 kilometers equal to 10,000 meters. So the ratio is, what is the ratio? 5 meters by 10 kilometers. That is 5 meters by 10 kilometers is 10,000 meters. 5 ones are, 5 twos are and 3 zeros. So it is 1 by 2000. Next, third question, C bit. 50 paisa to rupees 5. Same concept. This is in paisa and this is in rupees. See, third question is 50 paisa to 5 rupees. So we will convert this into paise. We know 1 rupee consists of 100 paisa. 5 rupees, 500 paisa. So 1 rupee, 100 paisa. 5 rupees, 500 paisa. So here 50 ratio is 50 paisa to rupees 5. So 50 paisa means as is 50 divided by 5 rupees means 500 paisa. So 0 0, 5 ones are, 5 tens are. So it is 1 by 10. So we have done these three ratios. Now the point to remember. 2 points we have to remember. The first one, both the quantities should be of same units. If the units are different, then we have to convert so that both are in same units. Second point, here we are saying kilometers per hour, kilometers per hour. When it comes to the ratio, there are no units. Here also if you observe 1 by 2000, 1 by 10, 1 by 2. So ratio will not have any units. After calculating, we got the ratio of that value, that will not have any units. Next, second question, he is asking to convert these into the percentages. Simple question. What is given? 3:4. So this can be written as 3 by 4. This need to be converted into percentages. How do we convert? Simple. multiply by 100. That's it. Then 4 ones are 4, 25s are 3 into 25 equal to 75%. Simple. Then next one, this is 2 by 3. So into 100%. So no cancellation. So 2 into 100, 200 by 3. So 3 6 are 18. If you know this process, otherwise we will do the division. 3 200, 3 6 are 18, 2 20, 3 6 are 18, 2. So this can be written as 66, 2 by 3%. So 66, 2 by 3%. Simple. Next, third question. In this question, what he says is, in a class, 25 students are there. Out of 25, 72% are interested in mathematics. And some people are unfortunately not interested in mathematics. Now he is asking to find how many students are not interested in mathematics. That is the question. What is given? 72%. 72% means 72 by 100. 72% means 72 by 100. Of 25. Of 25. Of means multiplication. Of 25 is interested in mathematics. These people are interested in maths. So let us calculate 25 ones are, 25 fours are. This is 72 by 4. That is 4 18. So 18 are interested in mathematics. Total students 25. So not interested. How many? Total are 25 minus 18. That is 7 students are not interested in mathematics. Like this we can do. We have another method. Directly 72% is not interested. So total percent, when we are taking percentages, it is calculated for 100. 72 is interested. So how many are not interested? 100 minus 72, that is 28%. 28% is not interested. So 28% of 25. 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 4 sevens are. Same answer. We can do like this also.